Samsung released a new update for the Home app with the functionality to upscale the icon size. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to install it and what other tweaks made it to this update of Home app. Also, I'm going to show Home app updated working on the S23 Ultra because sadly there are some differences. Some of the things working on my S23 Ultra are not working on my S24 Ultra. So let's start. And because Samsung, the latest version of Home app is sadly not released in all the markets. So if you're trying to just open the Samsung Galaxy Store and search for Home app, you might end up with something like this. This is also why I'm going to leave a link down below in the comments where you can find the APK and download it. Now, the version is 15.0.01.19 and the following features have been added to the upgraded devices with One UI 6.1 home screen access fine. I'm going to show this to you, and also these beloved settings, the app icon setting. Now, as we are used to joke here, like the new things are very often some old forgotten things. So the moment you guys update your Home app, what you can do is you can launch the Good Lock. All right, so by launching Good Lock, then what you can do, you can go inside the Home app. Okay, so Home app will be here in the makeup section. So when you click on the Home app, guys, and you click on home screen down below, that's going to be the app icon setting. This here is one of the new things. So apparently the default size of the icons is 100%, and this is something like this. Okay, when you go inside, you're able to just go down as low as 80%, which will get you these very tiny little icons. And of course, you can also go big and go to 120. Right, 120 will get you this if you have problems with the eyesight, or you just like them thick and big. Then 120 could be your setting, right? Then the other options are show app icon label on the home screen, very clean look, but you don't know really which app is what. And of course, you can also do this in the app tray, like very clean look, and remove the icon label on the app tray. So this is one of the things that I did. I usually will stick to 100. The only reason, guys, for you to, let's say, go 80 is if you want to change the home screen grid. So you probably put something like 56, and then you will have the option to just place more things on your phone, right? Like I know that this could be cool for some people. Honestly, I like to keep it standard, so I'm just gonna with the very boring old look like this. Now, one of the other things that they added, and this is kind of new, there is something called the Finder Access. Okay, it doesn't really tell you much. Open the Finder by swiping down anywhere on the home and app screen. Right now, when I'm on my home screen and I scroll down, I'm gonna get notifications. And when I enter, my app section and I scroll down, I'm gonna go back to the home screen. But with the Finder, you can just select home screen and app screen, and you're gonna have Finder Access everywhere. So let me show you now on the home screen. Swiping down will get me inside the Finder, and when I am in my app section, swiping down will also get me to the Finder. Very useful if that's your thing. Sadly, guys, there's some other things that are just not working here. This is the S24 Ultra. When I go inside the folder, you're gonna see that it's kind of limited. And why is this like this? Because, guys, let me show you. This is the same Home app version, but on my S23 Ultra, and inside I have more options, and one option is apply color to folder background. And let me show you, guys, on my both phones, the S24 and the S23 Ultra, I've selected here a custom color for this folder, right? And in the S23 Ultra, I can apply the color to the folder background, and of course, when I open it, boom, I'm gonna have this very nice effect. Sadly, this is still not working on the S24 Ultra. This really blows my mind. How is it possible for Samsung to just release things like this? This is the latest model, doesn't have all the latest stuff. It's completely not understandable. This is something that Samsung, I believe, should fix. It's not a big thing, but it could be very annoying. So please, Samsung, if by any chance you watch some of these videos, make sure to just do some uniform releases, at least for the S series, maybe the last 2 generations, right? Like something like this should not be really acceptable. And if that's your thing, guys, and if you like videos like this, then you're more than welcome to sub for the channel, because I believe that this will be something acceptable. Thank you so much for watching. VST over, and bye.